You ever notice how some insurance companies just feel massive, almost untouchable? That's the vibe you get with Zurich. They've been around for more than 100 years globally, and in North America, they're one of the go-to names for businesses that need serious, complex coverage. But the big question is, does bigger actually mean better for you? So here's the breakdown. Zurich North America isn't your typical personal insurance company. They're focused on businesses, small, mid-size, and massive global corporations. Their menu is huge: property, casualty, cyber, workers' comp, environmental, and professional liability. They also go deep into industries: construction, healthcare, manufacturing, energy, tech, even government contractors. If there's a risk out there, Zurich probably has a policy for it. Now, how does it work? You don't go online and buy Zurich coverage with a couple of clicks. You go through brokers or specialized agents. These brokers help design customized policies, often bundling coverages across different risks. Zurich also pairs insurance with risk management and engineering services. That means they're not just promising to pay when something goes wrong, they're helping you prevent losses before they happen. Think of it less like just buying insurance, and more like hiring a risk partner. Let's talk pros. The biggest one is expertise. Zurich has the scale and global reach to handle complex multinational businesses, but they also have tailored solutions for mid-sized companies. Their financial strength is top tier, so you know they'll be around when it's time to pay a claim. Another plus is their focus on risk engineering. They don't just insure, they bring data, analytics, and hands-on support to reduce your risks in the first place. That's something most smaller carriers simply can't match, but there are downsides. If you're looking for personal auto or homeowners insurance, Zurich isn't the place. They're built for business, not individuals. And because of their scale, they can feel less personal. Smaller businesses might find the process a little overwhelming compared to local insurers. Pricing isn't always the cheapest either, especially if you don't fully take advantage of their risk services. So who's this for? If you're running a company with employees, assets, or exposure beyond the basics, Zurich is worth a look, especially if you operate across states or even globally and need consistency. But if you're just starting out or want a quick no-frills policy, there are easier and cheaper options out there. My verdict? Zurich isn't trying to win on speed or simplicity. They're built for depth and dependability. If you want an insurance partner that can scale with your business and help manage risks, they're hard to beat. So what's your take? Do you prefer a giant with resources or a smaller personal insurer? Drop your thoughts below. I read every single comment. And if this review helped, hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more honest takes.